Now let us see how we can output text to the console. We've already seen the way to do is system.out.print or println, and let's see what difference it is to use either of the two. Now when you say system.out.print and you print another line, now what I've done is I'm printing two lines of text to the console and I'm using system.out.println. ln says print and go to next line. So whatever you print in subsequent prints goes to the next line. So let's see how this shows up. And it says hello world and then another in the next line. And if you say system.out.print without ln and then you see what output it gives. Now you get the same, both the text in the same line. So when you say system.out.println, it means you print and then go to next line. And if you say system.out.println, then it means you print and then go to the next line. Now what more options you have in this? Now what we can do even is that you can add a slash into this. This will do the same job of println. But this is less elegant than using println. And if you need some space between say hello and world, we can add space in this same way also. If you are adding some headings and I say you are adding some printing some table on the console, you say name and then you have say phone number, then what we can do is we can add some tab to this and then we can say phone number. So if you just see, I've used a plus. So if you need to concatenate text with text, then you use plus. I can use this within the same string too. And just to show how you could concatenate text or other data types to a string, I've intentionally used this plus. And then if I say, okay, I'll put in a name and I'll put in again a tab and some phone number. And let's see how this output comes. Okay. So this is something you could just set and gives a better look how you can arrange text and headings using /t. So we've seen what is print, what is println, how you print to the console, and what exactly is /t. Let's see what is a single line comment in Java. If you use // then it's a single line comment. So now this is out of picture and the only line that prints is Rocky. And if you have multi-line comment, then you start with a forward and a star and you end with a star and a slash. And the only line you see in the output is again hello. So double forward for a single line, and single line, a star and single line, and this gives you a block of comment. And you need to remember that Java is case sensitive. So if you say system with a small s, then system won't be able to identify this class. And it would try finding a class with a small s which doesn't exist. So this system and a system with small s means a lot of difference in Java. So you need to take care while writing the code that things which start with a capital are in capital, things which start with a small are small. So the rule of thumb is in Java, every class name, the system is a class. So every class name starts with a capital letter. Every method name starts with a small, and it follows the camel case rule. So if a method is calculate factorial, so calculate C starts with a small c and factorial F will start with a capital F. So this is the kind of nomenclature of naming we follow in Java, that classes are all caps, they start with a capital letter. Methods, they start with small letters, and similarly there's different nomenclature for variables, for constants. As you use, you'll be more aware about how things are in Java. So hope this clears how to use print, how to use println, how to add slash and slash t, and how you can use comments in Java. So if you have any suggestions or you feel to write anything to us, you can write to us on learnskillscourses@gmail.com. You have any feedback, you need to give us any suggestion of how we can make this better, or anything we've left out, any topic is important enough to be covered, do write to us. We'll love to listen to it.